changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
No cap. No bat. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, JDI family. Before we start, shout out to everybody that's part of Noti Gang. If you're part of Noti Gang, drop that Noti Gang down in the comments, bro. And let me know if you're part of Noti Gang. So, finally, you guys, finally, we are going to be able to put our new street tire onto the YZ250. I just got a call from the shop. They said that they were able to finish my tire. They called me, they said, Justdoittray, your tire's done. I said, bet, I'm coming to get it, and I hung up as quickly as I could. We are on our way there right now. I should be there shortly, you feel me? So smash the like button, because we getting ready to put this street tire on the 250. I'm curious to see how it's going to look on our bike. All we gotta do is get the front one, that's it. You know what I mean? But we was really in need of the back one, so my boy hooked me up with it, and you know, I went and put it on. You know what I mean? I didn't have to wait for it. You know, I didn't have to wait for it to come in or anything like that. You know what I mean? So it was supposed to be nice out this weekend, but for some reason the forecast just immediately changed as soon as our street tire gets done. Like, I don't understand that. You know what I mean? All of a sudden our street tire gets put on to our rim, and then all of a sudden the forecast changes out of nowhere. Like, nah. The forecast, I'm gonna tell you exactly what the forecast said to us. The forecast said, nah, bro, you gonna have to wait to ride on this tire. You need to chill. That's what the forecast said. You need to slow down. You moving too fast. Relax for a weekend. But y'all know we not relaxing. We got work to do. Every single day there's a video that needs to be uploaded. We don't take breaks. So I'm getting ready to be at the shop in a minute. We're gonna pick this tire up and bring it to the hideout and install it on the 250, because I really want to see how it's gonna look. So without further ado, I'll see you guys when we get to the shop, because I'm driving and it's hard to record and drive at the same time. I don't want to crash. All right, y'all, we at the shop. Gotta throw the mask on. I don't care what they talking about in there. Our mask gets installed onto our face. Oh, we lit today, y'all. We get to get a new tire today. Yeah, I'm sure you got the cracks on it. Oh, look at the puppy. Yeah, I do YouTube. Yeah. You guys got it done before the weekend, but the weekend looked like we getting rain. Yeah, it just changed out of nowhere. I'm like, what the heck?
I was like, oh, it's only gonna be Friday night.
Yeah, we got lucked out this weekend, y'all. Huh? Never know though. The forecast might change again. Thank you. Yeah, wait for my man to go grab our tire for us. What is she looking like, though?
Yeah.
Hold on, my man. Oh, spicy. Good looking, bro. I know. Thank you, bro. Yo, take it easy.
You too, thank you.
All right. Oh, we lit, y'all. Let's go. The fresh Daul sport tire on there, bit. About to be brazy. Woo. Hold on. She looking spicy. God damn, we need the street joint too. I ain't gonna I mean the front, I said the street joint. We need the front one too. For sure. I was not trying to get my hands dirty. But you know what? Hold on, we gotta turn that around. Like that. There you go. Woo! Ah! We lit! Take it to my favorite store right there. Griffin's Motorsports. Oh, they got my tire done before the weekend, but guess what? It's gonna rain. Ain't that a bit? Look at the tire though. Woo! Spicy. Well, listen though, y'all. We are going to head to the hideout and quickly install this tire with my dirty hands again. But it's all right. I'm not complaining. But without further ado, I will see you guys at the hideout with the dirty hands. Let's get up out of here and put our stuff onto our bike. You feel me? Come here, sexy. Oh, my wrist. My wrist hurt. Let's go. Hurt. Oh. Come on, Trey. You got it. Right there. Stay right here. Look at my hands. Ain't this a big? Sorry, though. I ain't stressing it. Easy. And my wrist. Holy cow. My bike is on one rim. Nah, I'll tie it right there. You need me food, okay. Gangsta. Alright. So, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. We not gonna waste no time here. We are putting this tire on ASAP. So, without further ado, let's get it. We got our tire right here. Hold on, I gotta grab the spacers out the car for here and over there. Alright, we got our spacers right here. I'm just wiping these off a little bit. Outside. Inside got the grease on it. So I'm gonna take this and just like this. These can go right back on now. Boom. Switch that around. Boom. Feel me? Now I'm gonna slide this right back into the brake caliper. Trey got it. I seen y'all was getting on my G-Phazos in the last video. Them G-Phazos been done, bro. You feel me? Them joints been done. No cap. Gotta make sure our chain is nice and tight this time. This joint been smacking like crazy. I do not want this coming loose and riding. Alright. I think we are done. Let's take her off the bucket. Let's hope our chain is in the right spot and everything. Bruh. Hey! Stupid. She's looking nice on there though. I like how it looks. Alright, you guys, we are finished putting the street tire onto the YZ250, and I love how it feels, how it looks. It's just so much better than that dirt tire. I told you guys that dirt tire almost made me fall more than a handful of times. You feel me? Just because of the knobs on it, and it was coming off. So it was literally like it was going up and down. It literally almost made me fall a lot. I'm not even gonna cap. Yazerski, she is looking good. She's dirty, but you know, we're gonna wash all that off. I still have the original seat cover. It doesn't have any rips in it or nothing like that. I might get that put on. I don't know yet. But look at, she's looking good, y'all. She's looking good. Look at that tire. Oh my God. She just needs a wash. That's it. That's all she needs now is a wash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I will see my gang in the next vlog. Peace.